Have you ever noticed that the best in their industries and the best in the world always build teams around themselves? They'll have someone for their body, someone for their mind, someone for their business, someone for their health. I mean, we all need good support networks. So why is it that the best always have teams? A couple reasons. Number one, the more successful you are, the harder it is for people to tell you the truth. You're gonna get a lot of white glove treatment. That's not gonna serve you if you actually want to keep growing. You're gonna need some actually difficult feedback. Number two, there's a segment of things we know. There's a segment of things we don't know. But more concerning, there's a third segment. And this is what we don't know that we don't know. It's really hard to go there alone. A team can help you do that. My question for you, what team have you built around you to help you become what you want to become? This is where a coach can become very